Ever noticed a throbbing pain in your feet after a long walk or run, or maybe discomfort from a blister or callus? It's not just you. Countless people experience foot problems on a daily basis, often ignoring them until they become too painful to overlook. From the occasional athlete to the everyday walker, foot problems can pose a significant hindrance to our daily activities, from the basic to the adventurous. Feet, often overlooked in our self-care routines, are our body's workhorses. They carry us through life, bearing the weight of our bodies and facilitating our movement. Yet we tend to neglect them until they scream for attention through pain or discomfort. Foot care isn't just about keeping your feet looking good in sandals, it's about maintaining overall foot health. Neglecting foot care can lead to more severe problems down the line, like infections, foot deformities, and chronic pain. With the right care and attention, these discomforts can be prevented. Interested to know how? Stay tuned. Ever wondered how to keep your feet healthy and pain-free? It's simpler than you may think. Let's break down foot care into easy-to-follow steps. First, cleaning. It's more than just a quick scrub in the shower. Pay attention to the space between your toes, where dirt and sweat often hide. Use a gentle soap-free cleanser to avoid irritating your skin. Next, drying. Never underestimate the power of a good towel-off. Dampness can lead to fungal infections, so make sure you dry your feet, especially the area between your toes, thoroughly. Now let's talk about moisture, but the right kind. After drying, apply a hydrating foot cream or lotion. This will help keep your skin soft and prevent cracks or dry patches, but remember, avoid applying moisturizer between your toes. That area needs to stay dry. Regular checks are also crucial. Look for anything unusual like cuts, blisters, or nail changes. Catching these early can prevent bigger problems down the line. Choosing the right footwear is not just about style or comfort alone. Shoes that don't fit well can lead to a host of foot problems, from blisters to bunions. Opt for shoes that provide good arch support and enough room for your toes to wiggle. And let's not forget about orthotics. These are specially designed devices worn inside your shoes to correct foot posture, relieve pressure points, and improve foot function. If you have persistent foot pain or your feet tire easily, orthotics could be a game changer. To wrap up, foot care is not rocket science. It's about being mindful of your daily habits and making small adjustments. And remember, your feet carry you every day, so it's only fair to give them the care they deserve. Remember, a small daily routine can make a big difference in maintaining the health of your feet. Nail care isn't just about looking good, it's a crucial part of foot health. When we talk about foot care, we often focus on the skin, forgetting that our nails require just as much attention. Regular nail trimming is not only a matter of cleanliness, but it's also a preventive measure against a variety of foot problems. Take ingrown toenails, for example. They occur when the nails are not cut straight across, causing the corners to grow into the skin. This can lead to pain, swelling, and even infection, but by learning the correct way to trim your nails, you can avoid this painful condition. Remember, it's best to trim your nails straight across, not too short, and file any sharp edges. Now let's talk about fungal infections. They're more common than you might think, and your nails can be a welcoming host for these pesky problems. Fungi thrive in warm and humid environments, and who knew? That's exactly what our shoes provide. Regular nail care, including cleaning and trimming, can help ward off these infections. And it's not just about preventing problems. Proper nail care also allows for early detection of other foot conditions. Changes in your nail's color, texture, or shape might indicate an underlying health issue that needs medical attention. So, never underestimate the importance of proper nail care. It's not just about beauty, it's about health. Your feet carry you through life, so give them the care they deserve. Dry, cracked skin on your feet, moisturizers and other products can be your best friends. Let's take a step into the world of foot care products. Moisturizing plays a vital role in foot care. It helps maintain skin integrity, prevents dryness, and keeps your feet looking youthful and supple. When you're shopping for a good foot cream, look for ingredients like shea butter, jojoba oil, or glycerin. These are potent hydrators that can help keep your feet soft and smooth. Also, consider a cream that contains urea or lactic acid if you're dealing with particularly tough, thick skin. These ingredients can help soften and break down hard skin, making it easier to remove, but moisturizing is just one piece of the puzzle. Exfoliation is another crucial step in maintaining healthy feet. It helps remove dead skin cells, promotes new cell growth, and prepares your skin to better absorb moisturizers. You can use a physical exfoliator like a pumice stone or a chemical exfoliator such as a product with alpha or beta hydroxy acids. Remember, don't be harsh with your feet. Gentle, regular exfoliation and moisturizing can lead to significant improvements in the condition of your feet. And finally, don't forget about other products like foot soaks, which can help relax your feet while offering additional hydration, and foot masks, which provide an intense hydration boost. Remember, moisturizing is not an option, it's a necessity. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, foot problems can persist. That's when professional help comes in. It's essential to understand that our feet are complex structures and sometimes they need a specialist's expertise. So when do we call in the experts? Persistent pain is a clear sign that something isn't right. If you've tried rest, ice, compression and elevation, often referred to as the Rice method, and your pain isn't subsiding, it's time to seek professional advice. Swelling that doesn't go away is another red flag. If your foot or ankle is consistently swollen, despite rest and elevation, this could be a sign of a more serious underlying condition. Next, let's talk about discoloration. Our feet can tell us a lot about our overall health. For instance, a blue or purple hue might indicate poor circulation, while a persistent redness could signal an infection or gout. Changes in the skin or nails of your feet are also reasons to consult a professional. These changes can include persistent cracks or cuts, peeling or changes in nail color or growth patterns. So who are these foot experts we should turn to? They're called podiatrists. A podiatrist is a doctor who specializes in foot and ankle health. They can diagnose and treat a wide range of conditions, from common issues like athlete's foot and bunions, to more complex problems such as fractures or complications from diabetes. A typical consultation with a podiatrist will involve a thorough examination of your feet, a discussion about your symptoms and lifestyle, and potentially some diagnostic tests. They'll then create a treatment plan tailored to your specific needs, which could include anything from prescribed medication to physical therapy or even surgery. Remember, you don't have to live with foot pain or discomfort. Your feet are instrumental for your mobility and overall quality of life. Don't ignore persistent foot problems. Seek help when needed. So, we've covered a lot about foot care today. We've delved into the importance of foot care, highlighting how it's not just about aesthetics, but also about overall health and wellness. We've journeyed through a step-by-step guide to daily foot care, underscoring the necessity of proper hygiene, nail care, and the use of orthotics for those who need them. We've explored the role that moisturizers and other products can play in maintaining your feet's health and freshness. From creams to sprays, these items can provide an extra layer of protection and care for your feet. Finally, we've discussed when it's time to seek professional help. Remember, it's always better to consult a professional when dealing with persistent foot issues. It's not a sign of weakness, rather it's a proactive step in ensuring your feet remain healthy and strong. Remember, your feet carry you through life. Take good care of them.